Hey, I'm Andrew, and this is Riley with Century 21 In-Studio Realty, and welcome to our latest listing.
We're on Bruce Road 3, 5 minutes away from Port Elgin, but still have the space and privacy of rural living.
Exactly, Riley. Whether you're looking to hobby farm or just enjoy a bit of peace and quiet in the countryside, this is the spot for you. This property features an amazing shop just behind me, with in-floor heating and loads of space for storage and hobbies. I'll take you through the shop, and then Riley will take you through the house.
Step inside this modern and classic farmhouse. With an addition done by Allure Homes and fully updated, this house is perfect for the growing family. For more information or to book a showing, give us a call.
Andrew Kennedy and Rylee Ramsayfield with Century 21 In-Studio Realty.